But before I get there, I think this could be a clip. Sundial. David, what is happening? This is the David show. It's not the haters show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. Welcome back to Sundial Shoes and Shoes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. And Sundial raises commitment to Sunstream Bancorp by $350 million. So Sundial growers, pre-market, 0.8% higher, has increased its commitment to Sunstream Bancorp Inc. from 188 million Canadian to 538 million dollars. Sunstream is a joint venture between Sundial and the SAF Group that leverages a strategic financial and operational partnership to target asymmetrically enhanced risk-return opportunities in the cannabis industry to provide exposure to a portfolio of attractive debt, equity, and hybrid investments. And I know that we've been speaking about cannabis for quite a bit, right? We are waiting for the American market to introduce the legalized marijuana laws or whatever they want to do. I think that there's going to be a lot of opportunities in the market. But with that said, guys, from Sundial's article over here, I want to go ahead and check out the technicals. So let's go ahead and, and by the way, just to let you all know, Apple opens its app store to marijuana delivery companies. Okay? Keep that in mind. SNDL, let's go ahead and check it out right now. I think we have a good range. We had to go down, right? We had to go down back to the trend line, which is there, still holding true to it. And from 89 cents, we are currently at 90 cents, still holding there. Oh my goodness, just waiting a little bit. And I actually see this trend line, the purple one, that it was actually broken, right? I see that. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and rely on my support and resistance. So let's go ahead and adjust this resistance level. Let's keep this support level here. We want to see some good rejections, which we may start seeing right now. And the range that we got, there's various, by the way. The first one that we got to keep an eye is this one at 140s, 148. From where we are right now in the pre-market, that's about 65%. And if I were to draw a Fibonacci level, guys, you will see a little bit of more clarity where the price can actually go if it goes higher. Let's go ahead and reverse this Fibonacci level. You can see that I already got the levels and I got some key areas as well. Over here, the resistance level, right? I see the 0.38 becoming a very important level for Sundial, 114% from where we are right now. 0.5, which is $2.30. That's about 154%. 267, the 0.618 of the Fibonacci is 195%. And if we go back to the previous high, it will be 396, and that's about 336%. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think Sundial will do next? In my perspective, I am waiting for the double bottom. I like that it broke this trend line. I'm going to go ahead and rely on that support area. And if we break that resistance level, having a buy stop will be a good re-entry because I've been entering at 50 cents. And having a buy limit, maybe a little bit lower, like 80 cents, 68 cents could be good. Always keep in mind when dealing with penny stocks, use disposable income, okay? That's the first thing I want to let you all know. And the other thing is that, yes, reverse stock split can actually happen. So something that you want to remind yourself, hey, if you have 1,000 shares, it can be reduced a lot. So definitely keeping an eye, keep that in mind. And I actually don't mind the downside that we've been getting in the pot stocks because the move is not ready yet. We're waiting for a little bit of more information from the United States. And with that said, I think we can even take a look at Tilray and see how it's performing. Tilray It's at 1675. Is it still stuck in the flag? Actually, it broke the flag, and looking with some potential of downside, I actually think that this can even go to $13. So for Tilray to move higher, we need to have confirmations. You can see that this trend line did not get broken, still respected, and waiting for either a support at 1635, maybe over here at 14, 13, like I said, guys. So wait a little bit more, even though for long-term investments, I think Tilray is going to pay off. And then Canopy Growth. I know that Canopy Growth has been in a lot of people's watch list. This one did break a trend line, but I'm not loving this trend line. Like I said previously, support and resistance for me on this one, and even on Sundial. I actually like more support and resistance because they show the supply and demand. This could be a great potential double bottom. So definitely want to keep an eye on this level for Canopy Growth, 22.82. And if it goes lower, guys, you can see that we're more than capable to go to 20, 38, even 18, and even $14. You can see that this trend line is still there. I'm going to leave this trend line there, but definitely watch out for this price to do more downside. If it breaks the resistance level, then we can confirm with some good bullish candles, it can go higher. Some people may say, David, check out Cinerba. I want to go ahead and check out Cinerba Pharmaceuticals. And Cinerba, $5.16. We mentioned over here that Cinerba had the potential to go down. I did a Fibonacci level over here, guys, and it showed me that it was bouncing from the 3.8, going back down to the 50 exponential moving average at $5, and I still see even $4.73 becoming a real price for Cinerba. Maybe a little bit lower, maybe he wants to go to $3.99. $4 is not bad. I like the mission and the vision from Cinerba. The other one that I've been keeping an eye in the pot stocks is Planet Holdings. Here we go. PLNHF. It is an OTC, 686, but it has a lot of potential as well. The weekly, as you can see, is starting to consolidate. If it drops, keep an eye on 560s. Could be a great opportunity. And like I said, guys, for me, pot stocks require the United States to provide a little bit of more clarity of what they will be doing, because that's going to be a game changer in the market. I really think so. It's going to be a lot of movement, consolidation on Planet Holdings. Chronos over here is at 8.15, going a little bit down. You can see this trend line over here can be, but remove this, can be respected. Something that we want to watch out for. This trend line got broken, so gonna delete that. And you can see that we were waiting for a little bit of that pullback. That's actually great. Range, 86%. No. Actually a little bit bigger, 92%. Very, very nice. And then I want to check out Grow Generation. Oh, and Cresco. We can take a look at Cresco. Grow Generation looks good. Grow Generation out of everything looks much better. Even the trend line looks even better. You can see the break of a trend line, which is nice. You can see the respected trend line over here on the bottom as well. We bounced on the 200 EMA, which is beautiful. $51.25 for Grow Generation. Out of everything that we reviewed from the pot stocks, this one looks much better. Before we go higher, we got to retest that $68 level. I'll be riding Grow Generation for quite a bit. And then Cresco Labs. Cresco Labs, this is something that I want to watch out for. Bouncing on the 200 EMA, guys. I definitely want to keep an eye on Cresco Labs. This one I like. $11. I actually have seen a lot of advertisement in Chicago from Cresco Labs. It sounds crazy, but that's what we're living over here. 60% is the range to go back to 17, which is great. Not bad at all. Let's see over here.